Because I think stable coins are still think people are underestimating the sheer size of this. You know, you and I grew up in the Eurodollar markets, which
Mhm.
were vast, and that's all this is a tokenized Eurodollar that can go down to individual level, as opposed to a Japanese bank or whatever, where most of the Eurodollars came from, or Deutsche Bank or whoever it was. But this is much bigger than people think.
So that second crew that has yet to activate is looking at just the vast sums of what they trade, what they settle, and how they move money, and saying if this is better, cheaper, faster, quicker, and regulatory compliant, then we want to reevaluate Coinbase as an infrastructure provider to us. So I think the stablecoin and payments use case is finally kind of here. I've been talking about it for the 5.5 years that I've been here. But now that market caps have grown with stablecoins and we have legislation and Genius Act on the way, I think the stablecoin wars are on. And we're going to have like the second wave of capital and entrance is going to be focused actually very so on payments. I'd say access. It would be an easy one, like, a Japanese company, Metaplanet. Japanese don't necessarily have the access to the US ETFs, and so that's an access trade to get long. You've seen, maybe we're not staking ETFs just yet, and so some of these treasuries are doing more active staking services. So they may, also have the ability to issue converts, kind of copy the MSTR the strategy playbook. And so if you buy into the notion that as they can continue to hit the capital markets for funding and then buy more ETH or, do more staking or earn more yield. And so right now it's access and like the combined product. And so it won't last for forever because you'll have enough of these treasuries keep coming and the premiums to what they own today will come down. But in this moment where things are kind of on fire, I'd say access and the bundled, the full bundle of services, the yield generation, staking, on top of owning the crypto and the ability to issue debt, keep buying, is what's attracting people.
And I think, it's one of the things that will probably drive alt season is the fact that there's a lot of treasuries coming in all sorts of products.